Welcome to IT Assembler, your destination for practical IT knowledge and hands-on tutorials. Here you'll find step-by-step guides on Microsoft 365, Active Directory, Windows Server, networking, Azure, Intune, Exchange Online, SharePoint, cybersecurity, and enterprise IT solutions. Whether you're an IT beginner or an experienced administrator, IT Assembler helps you learn, troubleshoot, and stay ahead in the world of technology. Subscribe and join the journey to build, manage, and master modern. In this video, I will help you to download Windows 11 ISO. Search for Windows 11 Download ISO. Click on Download Windows 11 link. Scroll down till create Windows 11 installation media, and click on Download Now button, which will download Windows Media Creator tool. Run it. Select Run it. Select your language, and choose media to use for downloading. On this video, I am selecting ISO file. Choose the location and click Next. That's it. You will find the Windows 11 ISO file on your location. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get new updates and new videos.